Are you looking for the best plasma cutter machine? In this video we will look at some of the 6 plasma cutter machine on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Lotos LTP 5000D Plasma Cutter. Lotos has been driving down the price range for entry into the world of plasma cutting. The Lotos LTP 5000D continues the tradition with 50 amps of power and a 60% duty cycle at an attractive price point. This cutter has no-touch pilot arc starting, capable of cutting up to 5/8" stainless steel plate. The Lotos LTP 5000D only weighs 26 pounds and comes with a 1-year warranty. It features 120 and 240 dual voltage input and a PAPST cooling system based on German technology. This machine uses an external compressor for its high-pressure cutting air. Some owners feel that the ground clamp and ground cable is made a little too cheaply. Lotos includes a pressure regulator and air filter with the machine already mounted inside. Using a compressed air quick connector for the air compressor, Lotos says the LTP 5000D can be set up and ready to run in less than 1 minute. Users give the LTP 5000D high marks for its cutting performance but have reported inconsistent quality, with quite a few reports of early failures of this model. Full review here. However, most also praise the Lotos warranty service for quick replacement of their plasma cutters and free shipping for the return process. Number 2. Primeweld Cut 60 Plasma Cutter. The Primeweld Cut 60 Plasma Cutter is a powerful machine, able to cut up to 7/8" steel in a single pass. This is a dual-power plasma cutter, ready to run on either 120 volts or 240 volts. It weighs only 21 pounds, incredibly light for a plasma cutter with this kind of power. On 120-volt power it puts out 30 amps, enough for 3/8" steel. The high-frequency no-touch arc starting offered by many machines will interfere with digital electronics, making them useless for computer-controlled plasma cutter tables. The Primeweld Cut 60 Plasma Cutter gives you computer controllability with a blowback torch. Blowback torches use air pressure buildup on the work surface to start the torch, eliminating digital interference. The Primeweld Cut 60 Plasma Cutter uses a continuous pilot arc. This system lets you cut expanded metal and grating by shutting off the torch over air gaps and refiring the arc once it's over metal again. It's also very effective on rusty, painted or dirty metal. Users love this machine's 20-foot torch lead. Number 3. TOOLIOM 50A Non-Touch Pilot Arc Air Plasma Cutter. TOOLIOM 50A Non-Touch Pilot Arc Air Plasma Cutter Dual Voltage 110V/220V IGBT Inverter Metal Cutting Machine 1/2 Clean Cut. Non-touch pull-it arc can effectively cut rough, painted and rusty surfaces and generates the least slag. The torch head does not need to touch the metal plate, then it will start arc. Better cutting quality and longer consumable life. Powerful cutting effect, up to 50A output, 60% duty cycle, maximum 1/2 clean cut. Multi-applications, suitable for cutting stainless steel, alloy steel, low-carbon steel, copper and other metal materials. Safety protection, certificated by ETL, built-in overcurrent protection, overload protection, temperature control. Portable, auto voltage adapts to 110V, 220V input power with adapter. Lightweight 13 pounds, can be carry and storage anywhere you need. Number 4. Hynade Plasma Cutter. Hynade Plasma Cutter, PLC 50D 50 amp high frequency digital plasma cutter, DC inverter 110/220V dual voltage cutting machine, PLC 50D. Dual voltage plasma cutter, this plasma cutter designed dual voltage 110/220V, auto indicate 110 or 220V. Hand switch is not required on machine. There are 2 lights of voltage at front of panel, 110V lighting when connect machine to power 110V, light 220V will lighting up when connect machine to power 220V, in this case the user easy knows the voltage. Metal cutting machine design, adopt air IGBT inverter technology, 50/60 Hz. Large ventilation window and fan cooled ensuring better performance and durability. This plasma cutter is high frequency need to touch metal get arc starting. Cutting thickness, this plasma cutter easy cut all metals, especially stainless steel. Quality cutting thickness for steel is 8 mm #70 PSA, 0.65 MPa, 220V 50 amps, max cutting thickness 14 mm #70 PSA 220V 50 amps, in 110V 35 amps. The quality cutting thickness is 6 mm #65 PSA, 0.6 MPa, 110V max cutting thickness is 10 mm #60 PSA, 0.6 MPa, 110V. The current for plasma cutting machine, 50 amps in 220V, 35 amps in 110V. For cut copper, 2-4 mm #60 PSA, 0.6 MPS, 220V 50 amps is suggested. Post time function, machine with function post time 2 to 15 seconds, adjust the time for the air keep blowing out from the torch head, cooling torch and consumables soon. Quality accessories, we only producing high quality machine and supplying quality accessories. For meters PT31 cutting torch coming with plasma cutter, earth clamp with 2 meters lead, 2 PCS torch electrodes, 2 PCS tip, 2 meters air hose, 1 air regulator. Machine come with 110V power plug, also with conversion wire adapter, 110V female to 220V male. Number 5. Hypertherm Powermax 45 Plasma Cutter. Hypertherm is unique because cutting technology is all it sells. This is not a welding machine maker that's branching out into plasma cutting. Laser cutting, water jets and plasma cutters are what Hypertherm is all about. This singular focus on high-quality plasma cutters puts Hypertherm at the top of the industry. Our top pick, the Hypertherm Powermax 45 produces 10 to 45 amps, enough cutting capacity to precision cut 5/8-inch thick steel plate. It's designed for industrial use to cut metals in factory environments. This machine has dual 240/480 volt power input. Smart Sensor is Hypertherm's system for automatic compressed air settings. It has a torch disable switch for changing torch components. Quick change technology provides rapid reconfiguration of the torch style and tip sizes for clean cuts. Owners rave about quality work from the Hypertherm Powermax 45, praising the precise cutting, high inches per minute rating and smooth edges. This has a lot to do with why we chose it as the best plasma cutter. The only downside to this model is the lack of a CPC port to control it with a computer. Fortunately, the port can be retrofitted with a kit from Hypertherm. The Powermax 45 has a 3-year warranty on the power system and a 1-year warranty on the torch. Number 6. HITBOX CT520 Plasma Cutter 50A Plasma Cutter. For IN1 multifunction plasma cutter, HITBOX CT520 supports 4 functions of MMA/TIG/pulse/plasma cutter, allowing you to purchase only one machine to meet multiple needs. Each function is simple and easy to operate. High current for smooth cutting. The CT520 current up to 50A can quickly cut all kinds of metal with high quality cutting gun SG55, so you cut fast and flat. Quality cutting thickness 8 mm 10 mm extreme cut 15 mm. Remote control presented with a foot switch, so you can remotely adjust the current, saving more effort. In operation, there is no need to stop working to turn off the device, just gently step on the foot switch, everything is under control. Please ensure proper wiring. Our products are subjected to strict quality inspection and have quality assurance. Before using the machine, please read the manual carefully or seek help from customer service to ensure correct wiring before use, otherwise it will lead to unavailability of the machine or other situations. 1-year warranty period. Backed by a 1-year warranty, we're committed to after-sales service. When you contact us, you speak with real technical specialists and representatives, and our base parts and customer service on USA is available 7 days a week.